Hi 5th grade. The purpose of this video is to help you get caught up in virtual art class if you missed our live meeting during the week of October 6th through October 9th. So if you are in our Google Stream, you will see that we do still have some of our old September information. This week I am working on moving this information into our Art Google Classroom for the information that is worth keeping. Don't forget that our virtual art classroom is a resource that you can check out at any time. I am still posting in case you missed it videos in the Lincoln Trail Art Class blog every week if you were to miss a meeting. Now at the top of our stream, you are going to find information about your October choice board and our October schedule. Looking at our October schedule, remember we go week by week or step by step to complete our work. Today we are in week 1. Today you will be learning about your choice board for making art in October, and you will be brainstorming possible ideas. Don't forget to fill out your exit ticket for attendance under the classwork tab. Looking at our October choice board, you have many different options for how you can make art this month. This month we will be looking at how the element of line is used in art. You will have monthly drawing prompts to choose from, or you can make a self-portrait. Now a line is a path created by a moving point, a mark, or an object. It is basically a dot out for a walk. There are many different types of lines, and there are many basic tools for making lines. A line's width is sometimes called its thickness, and sometimes lines are referred to as strokes. The video here, Elements of Art Line, is a video that I want 5th grade students watching this week. Now when it comes to project ideas, there are many different things that you can do. You can make line-inspired art with any media. Hatching and cross-hatching is an art technique that uses lines, and we'll be taking a closer look at that next week. Lines can be used together to create shapes and patterns. Zentangles are an easy-to-learn, relaxing, and fun way to create beautiful images by drawing structured patterns. These patterns are called zentangles. This is an example of a zentangle that I drew, and we will talk more about that next week. We also have some various artists here that all use line in their work as well. Our next slide shows a lot of student work, making art in a lot of different ways, but again, focusing on line. So don't just think it has to be pencil and paper. There are a lot of other things around your house that you could potentially use. Your monthly drawing prompts. You can make a family portrait, so you'll want to check out that drawing prompt. You can do pencil to paper, or interesting ABCs, or a friendly monster. Now after you watch the video up here in slide 2, you're going to see that we have some of our artwork that was featured in that video, then down in these slides. So these are 2 artists that were used in the video. You can take a closer look at them, but again, they talk about the style of their work and how the different style of artwork can invoke or make people have different feelings. On the last slide then, I included some other well-known artists and their self-portraits, again done in many different ways with many different materials. So how do you think you could portray yourself in a meaningful way in a self-portrait? So if you were to be taking notes or writing down ideas, these are the important things to remember from today's instruction. For 5th grade art in the month of October, you have 1 project that is due on or by October 30th. You can make a project about line, which could or doesn't have to include hatching or cross-hatching. More information, again, is coming about that next week. You could do one of the monthly drawing prompts, a family portrait, pencil to paper, interesting ABCs, or friendly monster. or you could make a self-portrait. Now please remember you can do any media or materials, because at the end of the month we will be taking a picture of your project. Again, looking ahead, next week you'll be learning more about how line is used in art, both by artists and technique. We'll look at some artwork, learn about hatching and cross-hatching, and I will be sharing some more art making tips. So Lincoln Trail, please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.